Hey guys, let me show you how to customize and organize this home screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. To organize your home page, just simply press and hold any free space of the page, and now we can manage it as we like. For example, if you can see this figure above this page, then it's your home page. To replace it, just choose another one and drag it right here, and now it's our new home page. So what else we can do is to change the wallpaper and style. Just tap the change wallpapers, choose any from the list, tap next button, and after this confirm by tapping done button. And now the changes apply to the home screen and lock screen. So now we can also change the theme. For this, let's just open Galaxy Themes. And now you can see many non-free and free options from which you can choose. Another is widgets. So we can add any widget to the home page or to any other page. For example, let's add weather widget. Just tap it, choose its style, for example, bigger or smaller. And after this, tap the add button and it will be immediately added to your home page. Now, if you want to reorganize your widgets, just tap any app and drag it to another place, so we'll be able to reorder them. Also, you can see the option to remove this app from the home page, so it will remove app but not delete it. If you want to delete it, just simply tap this uninstall button. Great. And the last thing we can do is to go in the settings. So here we can, for example, change the app screen grid, but the 6 and 6 is recommended here. You can choose any other option, but I'm gonna stick to this one. And after this, you can also change the folder grid. Just choose 3 and 4, for example, or stick to this option. You can enable show app screen buttons on the home screen. And also, if you want to see notifications on app panels, you just need to tap these app icon badges and enable notifications on app icons. And now you'll be able to see the number of notifications right on your application. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.